Welcome to our channel. If you want to become an Uber Eats delivery driver and earn money by delivering food, follow these step-by-step instructions to complete your registration. Step 1. Ensure you meet the requirements to deliver with Uber Eats. You must be at least 18 years old, have a valid driver's license or government ID, and have access to a vehicle, bike, or scooter depending on your city. Step 2. Go to the Uber Eats driver sign-up page by visiting uber.com/signup/drive/deliver or download the Uber Driver app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Step 3. Click Sign Up or Get Started to begin your driver registration process. Step 4. Enter your personal information including your full name, email address, phone number, and city where you plan to deliver. Step 5. Provide your Social Security number or tax ID for background check purposes and tax reporting. This is required for all U.S. drivers. Step 6. Upload required documents. This typically includes a profile photo, a valid driver's license or government-issued ID, vehicle insurance if using a car, and vehicle registration. Step 7. Select your preferred delivery method. Choose whether you will be delivering by car, bike, scooter, or on foot, depending on what is available in your area. Step 8. Consent to a background check, which usually takes 3 to 7 business days. Once approved, you will receive a notification and can start delivering immediately. Download the Uber Driver app if you have not already, go online, and start accepting delivery requests to begin earning with Uber Eats. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.